Two billionaire brothers reportedly plan to spend nearly $1 billion all by themselves for the 2016 elections. Can other billionaires and corporations be far behind? The debasement of American democracy by money is far advanced. Partisanship between the two political parties is also more virulent than ever, so that little gets done for America's future while Washington endlessly fights over trivia. The casualties of both are the welfare of the American people and the prospects of our children and children's children, who on average can no longer look forward to a future as bright as their parents and grandparents could routinely count on at the same age. If Congress and the President can't do the job for us, the 99%, then we the people must do it for ourselves and ensure that our will be done. Want to be acknowledged by name as having been present at the creation of an American government truly of the people, by the people, and for the people? Come support the first step, the Call of Gettysburg, at Kickstarter.com.